Good morning. It is the second day of fall, so the 23rd of September. 12 degrees this morning, 43 Fahrenheit, I guess. I've been sick, been fighting a head cold, so been working from home. Figured going to work with head cold symptoms was a bad idea. Skunk. Right there. But the reality is that, like, when I get sick, I get really tired. I'm probably a little ambitious biking to work this morning. Kind of taking it easy. I certainly like my day better when I bike to work in the morning. I like the way I feel when I ride. And I certainly like how much food I can eat. You think this guy sees me? It does feel good to be on the bike. It feels very natural. So because I've been sick, I haven't ridden my bike in like 5 days maybe? I guess I could look on Strava and find out, but I don't think I care that much. There is a cyclist in front of me. Every time I see another cyclist, I always want to catch up to them. I'm supposed to be taking it easy, but I have like this internal desire. I sit there just going around the corner up there, up the hill, quite a bit in front of me. And I don't see him anywhere ahead of me. Because he's going at decent speed. Or she. Just assume it's a guy, but you never know. Oh, there he is. I definitely made up some ground on that hill. I'm really curious to know where they're going. If they're gonna pull over into one of the office buildings on this road, or if they're just gonna carry on through the park like I do. There they are, yeah. They're heading down towards the park, but I'm certainly less than a minute behind them now, though. I don't see their lights at all. Maybe they did turn. They'll be chasing them through the park. Find out here in a second. Yeah, let's get one down there. Let's see if they're in here. Looks like they're climbing pretty hard to get up that hill. See the bike lights wobbling back and forth. That's good. That's a good sign. Oh no. They didn't take the gravel bypass. I lost them. That's too bad. That could be that that person doesn't have a bike that they're willing to take on some looser sort of gravel stuff, or it's actually faster for them to go the way they went. And here they are. That really doesn't save me that much time at all.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Getting you a start there, right?
Yeah, sorry.
Oh, don't be worried about it.
I saw you on Colonel Sam.
Yeah.
I think, anyway.
Yeah, okay.
And I was like, I wonder if I'll catch up to this guy. And then when you took the other path in the park there, I was like, oh, I am going to pass him because I knew my way was shorter.
Oh, yeah. These tires don't allow me to go in the gravel too much.
Right.
They're a minimum limit.
That's what I was figuring. Which path do you take? Because I usually go by the pond. Do you take the same one?
Not with these tires.
No, that's what I was wondering. Should you go across that paved path at the top of the pond area there?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. I'm really out of breath. The pond path closes eventually for the winter, right? So, okay. I thought they chained across that entrance in the winter, like in the off season.
They used to.
I'll try and take it tight, not cut you off.
Not much in the way of traffic.
No, thankfully. On the way home at night, I take like almost a completely different route. Yeah, in the mornings there's no cars, so it saves about 5 kilometers. And in the morning, I'm usually on a little tighter timeline, right?
I understand that.
But at night, I'm like, yeah, whatever.
You get bored doing the same thing all the time, right?
Yeah, that's kind of what I'm running into. I've been commuting since probably June. I've been taking more or less the same route every time. Now, thankfully, it's different in the morning than it is in the afternoon a little bit, but it's still tedious after a while, right? You're like, I'd rather do something different. So I wanted to do 100 rides this year, and I've actually already broken it, which is nice. This is my turn.
All right,
Have a great day, man. Well, that was a fun interlude. I think he slowed down for me quite a bit there. So I'm not sure, because I kind of was catching up to him, but it doesn't really matter. I'm just curious. Either way, man, he's been commuting for 4 years. That's awesome. I'd like to be able to say that 4 years from now. Oh, I I just ran over a snake. That was awful. Poor thing was freaking out, twitching all over the place. Kind of a crummy end to kind of a crummy day.
Oh, sorry.
No, it's okay. Have a nice walk. No parking.